In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in Expensify. This is an essential skill for managing your finances efficiently and making sure you stay on top of your expenses with ease. First, let's assume that you've already logged into your Expensify account. If you're unsure of how to do this, just make sure you have your username and password handy, and then head over to the Expensify website. Once you're logged into your account, you're ready to begin. The first thing you want to do is locate the Reports option on the left side menu of your Expensify dashboard. It's quite prominent, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Clicking on Reports will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your expenses. Now that you're on the Reports page, the next thing you need to do is click on Expenses. This step will direct you to a new menu where you'll see all the expenses you've already entered. It's a great way to keep track of what's already been logged and what might be missing. Once you're on the Expenses menu, look for the specific expense entry that you need to manage or update. This could be a recent business lunch, travel expenses, or any other cost that you want to keep track of. Having all your expenses neatly cataloged in one place makes it much easier to manage your personal or business finances. Finally, after you've located the expense you want to submit, look to the far right side of the entry. You should see a button labeled Submit. Go ahead and click on it. This action will officially submit your expense and add it to your reports, marking it as completed. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense in Expensify. This straightforward process allows you to keep an accurate record of your expenditures, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Remember, the key to efficient expense management is consistency. Regularly updating your expense reports helps maintain a clear snapshot of your financial health at any given time. So, try to make it a routine to log expenses as they happen, rather than letting them pile up. This proactive approach will save you time and stress down the line. Thank you for tuning in today to learn how to add expenses in Expensify. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps streamline your expense management process. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.